Hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin matanggap ni megastar Sharon Cuneta na pumanaw na ang isa sa taong pinakamamahal niya sa industriya ng showbiz at maituturing niyang matalik na kaibigan na si Sherry Hill. Tuloy-tuloy na bumuhos ang luha ni Sharon nang mag-sink in sa kanya na wala na ang kanyang tunay na kaibigan na si Sherry Hill nang malagutan ito ng hininga sa edad na 59 nitong August 5, 2022 sa New York, sanhi ng sakit nito na uterine cancer. Kaugnay nito ay ibinahagi ni Sharon ang mga huling sandali sa pagitan nila ni Sherry Hill bago ito malagutan ng hininga. Sa Instagram ay inilahad ng megastar ang mensahe niya sa kaibigan. Ann Sharon, I flew to New York early yesterday with a heavy heart, still forcing it to hang on to that sliver of hope of God performing a miracle and allowing you to pull through this. I am eternally grateful to Him for giving us the few hours we spent together, the love and words yet again exchanged in person, the knowledge that the friendship forged when we were very young was stronger and would only keep getting so. You told me about your tree to heaven outside of your apartment window, which I didn't get to see. We said I love you, and I said I'd see you again today. And you raised both arms and gave me the thumbs up with both hands. Then, barely 11 hours after I left you, I was awakened by his call saying you had passed. I leave New York now with a much heavier heart than ever before, because now I am leaving you with the knowledge that I will never see you again. I cannot process it. It seems so unfair. It will never be the same without you. I will never be the same without you. I told you that you had to fight, please, because you couldn't leave me, and that you were my partner, that there is no one like you. You said yes, but God took you home, took all your pain away. I will never get to feed you ice chips again, or share most everything else with you. Your kids are strong and love you so much. Mike and I won't have to keep our talks about you a secret anymore like we did while taping our show. But I don't know how we would want to. I thank God I was with your dad and mom and and all your kids to see you off. But I am not happy. My heart is in pieces again. And now I don't know how to put it back together anymore. Because among the many loved ones I have lost these past few years, you were and always will be one of my most loved, a most important part of my life and my history. Of my heart, I love you so very much. It is the end of an era now that you have left us. What will I do without you now, love? My true screen partner, a true friend, Ninang of Simon. I miss you so terribly and know it will only get worse. Be at peace in God's loving arms, my Cheech. I'll see you again someday. I will love you with all my heart forever. Thank you for everything. Sina Sharon Cuneta at Sherry Hill ay nagkasama sa iconic film na Bituing Walang Ningning at nanatiling malapit na magkaibigan simula noon. Kasunod nito ay ibinahagi ni Sharon ang ilang video clips ng mga pinagsamahan nila ng kaibigan na si Sherry Hill. Ani Sharon sa caption, "The industry has lost one of the very best actors it has ever produced. I have lost a part of myself no one can ever replace."
Shami, girl, look, I finally got it. It's been how many decades and I got it and they asked me ano pa daw ang dream role ko. Wala na akong maisip pero ito totoo, dream kong makatrabaho ka uli. We should reconcile and make a movie. Our